Hey everybody, Anthony from FusionPac. We have a question every so often over the last 8 years of making holsters that does the FusionPac stay in place because it has no belt clips. You can see I have a Glock 19. I've got my t-shirt tucked in just so you can see that where the holster is positioned. I'm going to do some physical exercise to show whether it shifts or not, but it has no external belt clips, and so people wonder, does it stay in place? Because it has its own internal belt. You can see that up close on a video on our website. So I'm going to do some exercise, and I'm going to run down, go around the kids' playground area, and come back, and we'll see if it stays. And here we go. All right, so there you can be the judge of that. There's the holster still in place. Again, the belt has nothing to do with the holster, and it holds in place all by itself. Thank you for making the choice to defend yourself and those you love. And as always, God bless you and yours.